A very warm welcome to this training session of Bosch Home and Garden. My name is Dino. I'm product trainer of Bosch Home and Garden, and I proudly present you today the new DIY hand tools. They are not only characterized by a very high quality, they also have a lot of intelligent and clever features. And what these features are, that you can work very comfortable and very easy with the tools, we will see now in detail. Here you can see our variety of pliers which we have in our DIY hand tool program. So here we have in the front side, here the cutting area is induction hardened of 16 Rockwell, and that means it's very precise and very hard. You can see you also can cut paper with that. And of course the chrome nickel coated area here has a very high living time, and you have here also a grip zone in the front, which is very precise, very easy to use, also in combination of the soft grip and the small handle you have here. Also with that plier where you can have very precise work, for example. And of course also here the cutting area is very hard and very good and very strong, as you can see that here. And you can also hold very precise different material. And of course, cut also big cables if you need that. In our range of pliers, you also can find a water pump plier. This is very easy and intuitive to use because you have here a one button use with 26 teeth, which is very easy, very comfortable to use. And also you have a big opening up to 46 millimeters, so that you also can grab big materials like that one here, for example. Also the carbon steel is very hard, very strong, where it has a very high living time, also because of this phosphate coating area here in the front. Also here the backside, you know, our soft grip areas we have here, it's very small, very handy, and also very strong to use. You have here also a big opening, and also the backside you can use for sensitive materials, like you see that here. Also with that backside you can open or close different materials, not only with the front side.